all of this makeup, I have to organize and arrange and keep in these 10 drawers. Let's go. I cannot believe that the day is finally here. I have to organize all my makeup into my vanity, and I'm so excited. I am extremely sorry if you see any, hear any construction noise, because literally besides my flat there is some construction happening, and they just started right now as I'm filming the video. I bought this vanity, which is obviously from IKEA, months and months and months ago, because my house took so much time to make. Now these are all the boxes, or like the pouches. I think it's like 10 of these filled with makeup. I also have one of this over here. So basically what I'm gonna do is, like, each box has like categories. Like, this is eyeshadow, we have like my base products over here, just one random palette, again some stuff, again some stuff, again like my blushes, highlighters. This is something which Nykaa sent me for Pink Friday, like it is literally happening right now. So I have this one. So I'm thinking like this box and the Instagram box will be my giveaway boxes, and this is all my lipsticks and the new Win stuff which I have received. Again, all my highlighters, primers, eye stuff. So I have to organize all of these into these right now, and I'm going to take you through it. Oh, and this. Okay, so these are the organizers which I have. I've bought these from Miniso. It is the 3 organizers, like, so you get the biggest one, you get the medium one, this one, and then the smallest one, a pack of 3. I got these a couple of times ago, like in August, and then again karke itna sara ho gaya. And then I got it for this drawers as well. I have this one only over here. I like it. It's not that, it's fine, it's fine. Again, this one I have over here, so that is there. And then I have this one. These are another drawer organizers. And lastly, this is like just a PR box which I have, but then we also have some of them from Crawford Market which I got. So basically none of the makeup will be above, because it will eat dust, and I don't want that. I won't show you like part by part what I'm keeping, but maybe I'll just insert a time lapse for you to see, and you will just really enjoy. I know a lot of people love seeing all of these, so maybe like if you will love them as well. And let's get started. I'm so freaking excited. I've waited for this day forever, because I never ever had a vanity. Like, I stored my makeup in like below cupboards into boxes, and that was it. So having a proper vanity, especially when I'm creating beauty content on YouTube and Instagram, so it feels really good and feels really big, like I've done something amazing and I've bought it from my own money. So it feels very proud and exciting, and I cannot wait to organize, because I'm an organizational freak. So yeah. Okay, so all of my eyeshadows I'm thinking which will go over here, and all my lipsticks probably will go over here. So let's start off with the eyeshadows, because I feel like that's the easiest thing. Look at this insanely huge box which has like, I don't know, 30, not 30, let's count the amount of eyeshadows I have. And for eyeshadows I don't really have like organizers. I might use like one of the biggest ones. Other than that I feel like it's fine. My biggest ones: Makeup Revolution, Morphe again, Huda Beauty. So all of the bigger ones I'm keeping over there. Now for the smaller ones I'm thinking I'll just use this ones, especially for the square ones which I have, which is the Nika K ones. I'll just keep it in like this, like this. So that is kind of organized. I've crammed everything into here, because I mean it's like fine, if I get one more, like one of these organizers gets like left, I will do the shuffling over here. Okay, so next one is this second drawer. I'm just keeping the third, like the deep one, for something I don't know. Okay, so this one I'm thinking to keep all my primers. I have a lot of them, so I'm thinking maybe I'll just organize according to the type of primers. So let's go and see. First of all, let's categorize them and then I'll see which ones go where. What I don't like about these, like if I just fold too much, it just drops down. If I fold little, it, yeah, this happens. I don't like these that much. See, now it's just not staying in place. See, it's so flimsy. I don't like this. See, it's just falling down. This is basically my primer drawer done. As you can see, all the color correctors, blurring primers, illuminating primers over here. Maybe if I get more, like more of the bigger ones, I will keep it here. Otherwise, I mean, this is fine as well. Just needed this drawer divider. I'm going to do my mascaras in here. This is like the second drawer on this side. You can see all my makeup which needs to be stored. Mascaras are small, so I was like, you know, we can keep it over here. Not too much a higher maintenance. Like, does not need too much of depth when it comes to say. And all of my stuff is in this. I was thinking maybe like use these for mascaras. Basically my mascaras, my eye pencils, eyeliners, brow products, I don't have too many. So I was thinking maybe I'll just do this. Does it fit? Oh, it fits perfectly. I got this one from Crawford Market. And then maybe like my eyelashes can be here. Let's see. First I'll arrange these and I'll see what happens. And I am basically done. I could like transfer all my mascaras in here, but I know I have way too many in my house. I think actually it looks good here, you know, and I'll just have like one brow product. I have like one more in my house, so this drawer looks pretty cute and neat and like done. I actually want to throw a few of mascaras, but I cannot. Like I just have to make a few videos, so I'm waiting until then. I don't really like these, like, you know, they have these. If it was just like that, it would have been like, you know, like the packaging. This is fine, like it is easy to store. Like I could have stored it like this, but since that doesn't happen, I just, you know, I'm just putting it like this. Whatever. I'm not really like extremely big on lashes. Like I do wear lashes, but it's like not on a weekly basis. So I'm just keeping these right here. Whenever I need them, I'll just, you know, use them. Okay, so the drawer besides my mascaras is going to be my foundation drawer, and I have quite a lot of foundations. Let me show you. This is packed with that. So for this, I'm especially going to be using these ones. Let's see what happens. How am I going to store these? Also my concealers. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna keep like 3. Should I keep 3 over here? Let's just try to keep 3 over here and see. I would categorize them. Okay, no, let's just keep 2 more of these. 2 more of these. here. Maybe like my concealers can go in here. Foundation drawer complete. It looks so cute. I love this foundation, concealers drawer. I can't even put like powders, but like it's two inside, so I have like a few more drawers left. So I'm thinking maybe, you know, this is fine for now. Like this is fine, this is good. Okay, so the drawer just below my foundation, I think I'm gonna keep my setting powders and like mists and all of that. So I'm just gonna do that. Can you see how shit it looks? Like this literally looks so bad, like terrible. But I'm thinking I'll just keep my stuff here because I'm just too annoyed to even think of something else as of now. But I think it's like whatever, like I don't really care. It looks so bad, but I'm so annoyed, like literally so annoyed. I have a lot of powders in my other house, so I'll probably bring them later and just put it in here. Okay, so this one, the drawer below my primers, is going to be my highlighter drawer and my bronzers, highlighters, bronzers, oh my god, I'm keep on dropping stuff. This is going to be my highlighter, bronzer, all of that kind of a drawer. So let's go. I have this which I have mentioned in my haul video. I'll probably use this one. I'll just keep this one. This is a very big palette I have, so that will go behind. I have a lot of these ones, so maybe I'll just use one over here, probably the small one of these to what can we say, bifurcate my types of products. That is the highlighter drawer. I thought it would be like a bit more bigger, but I mean, wow. Okay, so this is going to be my lipsticks drawer. I'm thinking to probably put all of these right here, like these. Now I have a lot, like I think almost 70-80 lipsticks. Let me just show you. Oh my god, this is all the lipsticks and I'm scared. Yeah, I'm just scared to even go through so many of these. Also, I have this which I got, so I'm thinking I'll put my bullet ones in this because it stores like 28 lipsticks. So maybe I'll store like that. I'm just gonna keep this box right here because I have a lot of other miscellaneous stuff in my lipstick dabba. Oh my god, can you just believe? Look at this. Insane. Let's just go through it. like this. I'm just gonna remove all of this, and I don't know what I'll do of these. Like, I just didn't really like these. Just a waste of money. It doesn't really sit into my drawer well. You know, guys, I'm changing my mind again. The powders, I'm just transferring it into a container like this, and I'll just keep it here. As for now, it looks fine, so I'm thinking I'll just keep it just like here. I might keep my setting sprays in here. I'm not sure. I just have like 3. Like one is at my house, so 4 of them. So think this is a powder, highlighter, blushes drawer. Everything just goes really nicely coordinated along. So yeah, that's good. Okay, so this is my first 2 drawers are only empty right now. So I'm just gonna keep all my beauty blenders in this bag. I have like my crystals in here and my jade roller. So I'm just gonna keep a miscellaneous stuff in here because I just don't have, I don't know where to put first of all. Also, like my daily day-to-day stuff will be in here. So that is it, you guys. I organize my vanity. Let me just shift this and I'll just show you. Oh, looks so good. Then we have this. You'll probably get a very detailed vanity tour very soon. This is all so messed up, but yeah, I did it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe. You'll get another like completely fully decorated vanity tour after a few days. So yeah, I'll see you then. Bye.